Hi guys, Ken from Investing Made Easy here. Today we are going to be talking about passive income. Unlike other videos where they only give you general advice, I will be giving you specific advice that you can start doing today to improve your passive income. Links to all the websites will be in the description, and before we start, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for future videos. First of all, what is passive income and why do you want it? The definition of passive income is cash flow on a regular basis with little to no maintenance. From this you can see passive income is great. It allows you to make money all the time. On holiday? No problem. Your assets will continue to bring in money. It is also a supplement to your income, giving you more money to reinvest into stocks or just to spend on something nice. Even better, you only need to do the work once. Once the asset is in place, you can travel to somewhere like this and reap the benefits. Today I'm going to give you 5 specific examples that you can start doing today. I've handpicked these as I believe they're the easiest to do and have some of the best returns. Some of these require money to start with, but others are completely free to begin. Number 1. Dropshipping. This is by buying a product created by somebody, marketing that product, and selling it whilst taking a commission for your service. This is really easy to start with. You can use a website such as Shopify. You can create an account in minutes and begin designing your shop. The best thing about the site is you don't even need a warehouse to store all your goods, or any money to begin with apart from a small monthly fee. When somebody buys a product from your shop, the order is sent automatically to a vendor. Setting up a well-known store can be difficult, but the returns are amazing. Number 2. Investing in stocks. Investing in stocks can be daunting as you're putting your own money on the line. However, with a good strategy, regular investment, and riding through the bumps in the market, you can build a strong portfolio. On my channel, I will be giving advice on whether a certain company is worth investing in, as well as investing strategies which you can follow. Nowadays there are many sites such as Trading 212, my personal favourite, which offers commission-free equity trades. This allows you to buy and sell without repercussions if you feel that the market is unstable. This is a relatively moderate risk, but has great returns on it. Number 3. Real estate crowdfunding. These have become much more popular in recent years as property prices have risen to a point where it is difficult to buy a property outright. You can start with as little as $500, and some sites like Fundrise offer a 90-day money-back guarantee if you change your mind about investing. Another site, Realty Shares, is a good option if you'd like a bit more control in what you're investing in. These sites are both for US residents only. If you live in the UK, however, Property Moose is a good option. With real estate crowdfunding comes high risk, as the house may not find a buyer for a few months or the house price may crash. This also requires a fairly large amount of capital to begin with. Number 4. Peer-to-peer lending. If you've ever borrowed money from a bank, you know how ridiculous the fees can be. Well, now imagine you're on the other side of that table. It's an easy way to make money, as you just pay in a lump sum in the beginning and you get dividends, sometimes over 10% extra over what you originally paid. This is one of the highest return on investments that I have listed in the list here. There is still risk involved in this, as the person you're lending money to could declare bankruptcy and you could lose all your money. A good site to start with in the UK is Funding Circle. This site makes it easy to lend money as the website finds the people to lend the money to, and all you need to do is deposit funds into the website. A good American equivalent is Lending Club. And finally, number 5. Licensing photos. This is probably the most fun option on the list. All you need to do is grab your camera, preferably not your phone, but most new phones do have a generally amazing camera, and go out and take some photos. Famous landmarks have the most success. I live in London, and I have tried this before, and my pictures of the London Eye and Big Ben were both very successful. Shutterstock is a great website for this. They have a large follower base, which is important for people to find your picture. However, the only issue with this is you have to put a lot of time into editing your photos. but the income you get back from them is relatively low. These are my top 5 picks for the best way to build a passive income stream. However, you do need to put in quite a lot of work at the start to build a passive income. However, once you've completed the initial work, you can reap the benefits long into the future. If you like this video, like, comment and consider subscribing, as I will have more content like this in the future. This is Ken from Investing Made Easy. I'll see you later.